They say the old subway tunnel beneath the city is cursed, a relic of a forgotten era. I used to laugh at the tales, dismissing them as ghost stories to scare tourists. But last night, alone on the final train, I discovered the truth. As the train rattled through the tunnel, the lights flickered and died, plunging me into darkness. When they flickered back on, the once familiar surroundings had transformed into a scene from decades past, passengers dressed in vintage clothing, newspapers dated 1947. Panic surged as I realized I was trapped in time. The air was thick with whispers of the past, and a sense of being watched gnawed at me. I stumbled through the car, desperate for an escape, but the passengers' hollow eyes followed my every move. The train slowed, and as it screeched to a halt, I saw my reflection in the window, aged, distorted, a ghost of myself. The doors opened, revealing a bustling,